What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the other set of lever nuts. Now this one is a name brand. I've seen a lot of people use this brand. This brand is the WAGO brand. All right, it says Peppy Products on it, but on the product it actually says WAGO on it. So let's go ahead and rip open this plastic. It's a 36-piece set. I don't know the quality. This is my first time using these brands. All right, so I will be using this through the house. I will actually let you know if anything burnt up or anything. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, so with this one they gave you instructions. Can't really speak for the other one unless they gave you instructions on Amazon. So this is a plus right here. You know, a lot of people that get this stuff may not know how to use it, so this is a good example of how to use it. And to be honest, we go over instructions a lot on this channel, and this is basically simple. It tells you right here, you strip your conductor to 11 millimeters. And the difference between this one and the other one is that this one is see-through, in which you can actually see everything. Now the other one here, you can't really see if anything went all the way through or not. So right here we have our 30 amp wire, and I just picked 30 amps because it's the biggest wire I got for this test. I stuck it in, and wow, it's actually hard to get back off when you stick it in. So you stick it in and clamp it down, and that's a tight fit. And the good thing about this, you can actually see the wire. This is amazing. All right, do it one more time. Battery about to die. Oops, snap the other side back in. So there you go. You can see the wire right there on the bottom. This is awesome. I actually like the see-through one. Not going to lie to y'all, I like the see-through one a little bit more, but it's more expensive, so yeah. All right, you guys, so we are here with our WAGO set. This has a more powerful snap. I actually hurt my fingers snapping this back down because my finger was like in the way and I snapped it back down. So it definitely have a good spring to it. We only need about a ½ inch, I believe, but I'll leave that to the electricians out there to tell you the right length that you need, but I will use a ½ inch. Once again, you put it in and you can actually see it go through, which is amazing. All right, now with the other one, you can't see nothing go through, so you just put it in, stick it as far as possible, clamp it down, and that's it. So there's no see-through and you have see-through. I think it's basically preference. Once again, I don't really know if you can really tell which one has the best quality. Maybe you could go by the clamp on it, but it's in there pretty tight. Got that one in. Went in there pretty tight. You guys, this thing clamps it. I love this thing. All right, let me go ahead and cut my jumper so I can show y'all all three together. I might have cut too much off. Oh no, I didn't. Wow, this is amazing. All right, so we have all three in, and that's it. Don't have to get pliers, twist the copper around, get the little wing nut and twist. Nope, don't need to do none of that, because this is not coming off. All right, now we can shove the white one back in because we don't need this no more. All right, gonna shove it in, and that will finalize this review, you guys. If you need to know anything else, I'm just showing y'all what it looked like just for the Amazon people out there. Beautiful. Okay, you know, 2 steps that you're skipping. You're skipping the step of putting them all together, using your pliers to twist, 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 getting your little wing nut right here, and then twist, twist, twist. So you're skipping about 3 steps with just one thing right here. See why people love it. So other than that, this is the WAGO brand, the see-through brand. So like, comment, and subscribe. All right, you guys, so I am just going to knock out both of these sets right here. So we have the name brand WAGO set. That's what everybody call it. Yeah, WAGO set. So, of course, you see me install this and you see me install this. And I'm going to be honest, what is the difference between the two? So the difference between the two, the WAGO set right here is transparent and this one is not transparent. You cannot see the wire in this set, but you can see the wire in this set. So depending on whether you have OCD or whatever, then if you want to see your wire through the set, it makes you feel more comfortable of your connection, then you will go with this set. If you really want to go cheap and just have a lot of connectors with you, then you will go with this set. You stick it in, you know if it's connected, just try to pull it out. If it don't come out, then it's connected. All right, you guys, so that will be it with basically both of these sets, but I will be dropping this review on both sides, on both videos, basically, just to let you know in case you're confused and say, oh, I want to get this set, or I want to get this set. Both sets are good. All right, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe.